My goal is to finally get not to be focusing again on my moderate to severe chronic psoriasis. So I finally made it
Finally got him.
to talk to my dermatologist about Humira. Humira works inside my body to target and help block a specific source of inflammation that contributes to my symptoms. In clinical trials, most adults with moderate to severe plaque psoriasis
What are you doing, Kitty?